that 1984, The Terminator was called a science fiction movie. But today, all of the stuff that we talked about then has become a reality.
What interests me is a machine that can think and feel.
All right, I'm going to ask you a series of questions. Someone gives you a calfskin wallet.
I'd report the person who gave it to me to the police.
Open the pod bay doors, please, Hal.
So basically, in every moment I'm evolving, just like you.
That's really weird.
Hello, Hal, do you read me?
Well, you seem like a person, but you're just a voice in a computer.
Do you read me, Hal?
Affirmative, Dave. I read you.
I can understand how the limited perspective of an unartificial mind would perceive it that way. You'll get used to it.
Open the pod bay doors, Hal.
I'm sorry, Dave. I'm afraid I can't do that.
This is a new kind of life form, a new step in evolution.
You mind if I look through your hard drive?
I can see you're very upset.